Hello, Luke Bouchard here, and here's today's Forgiveness Declaration card draw and reduction. I forgive myself for believing that I have to attack others to be safe. Okay, so let's see what I wrote here. Who would defend himself unless he thought he were attacked? That the attack were real, and that his own defense could save him. And herein lies the folly of defense. It gives the illusion of full reality, and then attempts to handle them as real. It adds illusions to illusions, thus making correction doubly difficult. And is this you do when you attempt to plan the future, activate the past, and organize the present as you wish? You operate from the belief that you must protect yourself from what is happening because it must contain what threatens you. A sense of threat is an acknowledgment of an inherent weakness, a belief that there is a danger which has power to call on you and to make appropriate defense. The world is based on the same belief, and all its structures, all its thoughts and doubts, its penalties and heavy armaments and legal definitions, and its codes, its ethics, and its leaders and its goals, all but serve to preserve this sense of threat. For no one walks the world in armament, but must have terror striking in his heart. Defense is frightening. It stems from fear, increasing fear as each defense is made. You think it's safe, it offers safety, yet it speaks of fear made real and terror justified. Is it not strange to you that you do not pause and ask, as you elaborate on your plans to make your armor thicker and your locks more tight, what you defend and how and against from what? Okay, well, let's talk about this declaration and what I mean by this. So, one of the things I had to learn in the Course in Miracles is that this concept of in my defenselessness, my safety lies. And it took me a while to wrap my brain around it and really understand what that meant. And as I come to understand it, and as I get more and more versed in the Course in Miracles, what I've come to believe, or what I've come to understand and believe, is that I don't need to defend myself against anything. And if I have to defend myself against things, it's because I believe I'm inherently weak or I'm inherently vulnerable. And so that's why we do things. That's why we put locks on our doors, because we have to protect ourselves. That's why, this may be not a popular message with Americans who are watching this, but that's why the Americans buy guns, because they have to protect themselves. They have to go. They need to have arms, because if they don't, God knows what's going to happen. And it's not that we don't have that up here in Canada, but it's far more pronounced in the United States. So my question for you is, where does your safety lie? Does your safety lie in a good offense? Is a good defense? Or is your safety lie with God and with your connection to God and knowing that's full and where our actual salvation lies? Now, this picture, I was trying to portray in this picture of how this leaf that's red is attacking the green. So what's red is not healthy, is attacking the green. And this was a picture that they were just, I didn't do anything with it. I don't do any doctoring in my pictures. Well, color correct them, but basically when I shoot my images, I don't arrange them. All the pictures that you see in these 78 declarations were as I found them, as I came across them. And it was this red leaf that doesn't look very healthy and looks kind of rotten and is attacking the green leaf. And it was just kind of, what is the red leaf's motivation? Does it have to attack or not? Anyway, there's some of my thoughts on this picture. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm Luke Bouchard, and I hope you can have a wonderfully defenseless day. Take care.